What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I would like to take some live trades today. We will see if any setup will represent itself, and we will see how this New York session will start. Right now we are above the moving averages, so who knows, maybe the price action will gonna come and touch these EMAs. If just in case it will touch it, then I will wait for the pullback and take it to the downside. We will see how the price action will represent itself, and if it's gonna reflect any setups. I definitely will update you and explain how I'm willing to take the trades, where I'm willing to put the stop loss, all the process step by step, so you will see the reality of trading, how people losing money, how people making money, and all of that good stuff. If you like this sort of video, guys, feel free to like, comment, and stay tuned, obviously. Talk to you shortly. Guys, just a quick update, yeah. I'm gonna wait right now for the price action to start moving up. Yeah, coming into this beautiful retest, yeah, into this zone. And if the price action will gonna get to this point, I'm gonna take sells to target this zone. So we'll see if the price action will get to this zone. If we'll get, that's gonna be nice. I'm gonna target just like that. I'm not gonna manage. I'm gonna manage the position on this way. I'm just gonna take a 1-to-1. Oops, 1-to-1, something like that. It's gonna be so. We will see how this price action will develop itself, and if just in case is gonna pop up an entry. So stay tuned. Guys, it's just crazy, man. So basically I was thinking to get it here, but due to the fact that this price action wasn't news here or something like that, it just, the push was so badly that this entry is being opened somewhere here, something like that. You see, it's been open right here, so we are kind of sitting in profit, but basically break-even stage, and we will see how everything was gonna end up. If this price action we're gonna start moving down, it's very simple. It's gonna be more than 1-to-1 at least. So it's not that bad though. We will see. I was expecting basically to enter here, but unfortunately, by fortunate I would say, we did enter right here. So stay tuned to see how this price action will develop. If it's gonna hit my stop loss, then it is what it is. If it's gonna move to the downside, it's great. We will gonna make some profits. If not, then we're just gonna take an L and move forward to the next setup, and I will still keep you posted as usual. Look at these crazy movements. But right now it's gonna be shortly a news at 5 p.m. so who knows, we will see. And if this price action we're gonna move a little bit lower, I might gonna move my stop loss somewhere here above this high. And if just in case the price action will stop me out, then it is what it is. Stay tuned for the update. Yeah, guys, unfortunately we did get stopped out on this one, but it's all good. There's nothing to worry about it. We're just gonna move on to the next setup, because next setup most likely is gonna be a buy. I'm seeing here this beautiful expansion, so maybe the price action will gonna pull back, and from here we're gonna take buys. Just stay tuned and we will be surprised. Guys, how I said, right now at 5 p.m. is been a news coming up, and the price action came right into this beautiful push. So basically, guess what happened? I literally enter here. I was supposed to enter here, but I enter somewhere here, and the price action is almost at the TP. Look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful. So basically I'm gonna take. Let me just put the TP right here. So we'll see how this price action will develop, and just stay tuned, guys. Just stay tuned for the thing. We'll see how this price action will develop. I do really hope this we're gonna hit our target, but who knows. Right now is a news event, so that's why it just spiked down, and I do hope this price action will gonna spike back up, hit our TP, and we're gonna move forward to the next trade. But stay tuned for the result. Guys, such a good news, guys. And this result to be as a winner trade, yeah, it's very simple concept. The price action break this high, stop me out. I lost what? I lost, let's see history. I lost like $2.70. Yeah, $2.70. And right now I did win 549 plus I think it was something like, it was a little bit more than that because I closed another position and buy like 70 cents. So right now we're sitting at $353, which obviously the profit is 50, is more than that basically. I got like $60 profit or something like that. But anyway, guys, yeah, you see, total win is 62.86 profit. So I'm still profitable though. I don't know if you like that or not, but that's the reality. Yeah, guys, that's not the case. We will still see if any other opportunity pops up. We're still gonna take a trade if we're gonna pop up. Stay tuned. If not, I will keep you guys posted. Guys, by the way, I forgot to tell you, the reason why I'm trading right now on the smaller balance, that's because that's my real account. So how you see here is Zero Trading Ltd, IC Markets MT5. So basically, yeah, that's my real account. So I'm trading on this real account for you. Stay tuned, guys, for the next opportunity. Guys, I'm seeing here like a beautiful trade opportunity. So basically, let me see, is break to the downside. Now is very beautifully matching with the EMAs, break and retest, and looks very beautiful trade to take sell. But unfortunately I won't get it, only because I don't know why I got feeling that this price action will head towards upside and will take this high. So I think I'm gonna be done for the week, guys, and for the day. I hope you enjoy, guys, my trades, live trades basically. That's why I'm trying to record, to show you all the losses, all the wins, everything. If you do really enjoy my content, guys, feel free to like it, so this is gonna promote to a lot of traders can see all those beautiful trades. Yeah, sometimes I win, sometimes I lose, but as long I'm keep getting profitable, that's more than enough. That would be very beautiful trade to take it like that at a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But unfortunately I won't get it, only because my intuition tells me to don't get into this trade. I don't know why, but it looks too perfect and it looks to be so good, and when it looks to be so good, then by my experience usually it gets stopped out. So I rather just, you know, skip this trade. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoy, and we'll see you guys on my next trade. Peace and love. I'm out.